5 minus 7, then times 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is just negative 2. And again, we have here 5 minus 7, negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2. And this is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to do this parentheses. And in PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So next we have to do this multiplication and finally this subtraction. Inside this parentheses we have 5 minus 7, which equals negative 2. So we have 5 minus 7, then times negative 2. Now we have to do this multiplication because M comes before S in PEMDAS. Okay, so negative 7 times negative 2 gives us plus 40. So we have 5 plus 14, and this is equal to 19. So therefore our final answer to this problem is just 19. The correct answer is 19.